Hi everyone, and welcome to Blackroom Digital. Today we're going to look at the new xTool D1 Pro Honeycomb Mounting Jig, point out some specific features, and show you how to assemble it. Like many of you, I wanted a way to lock my honeycomb panel in place to ensure that my jigs and templates are always perfectly aligned. I found several designs to lock the panel in pretty well, but in general, they were lacking three key features that I wanted. 1. Other mounting jigs required screwing the mount down to your bench, but I wanted freedom to be able to slide the entire assembly around on the work surface without affecting its alignment. 2. Some jigs don't raise the laser, placing it level with the honeycomb surface, effectively reducing your available material thickness by 22 mm or more. And 3. Some jigs just don't allow for an air gap under your honeycomb. I wanted more, so I went to work designing, testing, and perfecting my own mounting solution that addresses all of these issues, can be easily 3D printed, and assembles in minutes. I'll leave a link to the files in our store if you want to print your own. Designed specifically for the D1 Pro and the xTool honeycomb set, this will also work with any standard 500 by 500 by 22 mm honeycomb panel and 1 mm aluminium protector plate. We're proud to announce that we now have a file set to suit the extended bed version of the D1 Pro. Depending on your laser's leg dimensions, the jig can also be adapted to work with several other laser units currently available, so contact us to see if yours can be adapted to fit. I'll leave a link to our contact page below. Okay, so let's get the jig assembled. First, you'll need to make sure you've printed all the required parts. Using the lightning-fast Bamboo Lab P1P 3D printer, I'm able to print all the required files extremely quickly. Print 2 copies each of Foot A, Foot B, Insert A, Insert B, and 4 copies of the brace. When using your jig with the extended bed version, we recommend printing 2 additional copies of the brace to provide better stability across the longer edges. If you want to use the optional riser capability, you'll also need to print 4 copies of the riser file. Step 1. Fit the 4 braces to the aluminium protector plate, aligning them centrally. Lay out the parts and slide each brace firmly onto the plate as shown. Step 2. Slip each foot under the aluminium protector plate so that each corner sits on top of the inner foot support. To do this, lay out the feet, lift the aluminium plate slightly at each corner and slide the feet underneath, taking note of their orientation. Step 3. Slide the inserts into the corner of each foot, pressing down to clamp the aluminium protector plate. These will be a snug fit in the feet, and pressing down firmly will help secure the plate. Step 4. Place the honeycomb panel onto the support feet and braces. Once in place, adjust each corner to ensure the guides are in full contact with the honeycomb. Step 5. Lower the laser unit into place. Ensure each leg slips into the locating holes and press it down into place. Congratulations! You can now use your new honeycomb mounting jig, noting that the entire assembly can freely slide around on your work surface while maintaining perfect alignment. Let's look at some additional features. Securely locks your honeycomb panel in place and provides raised corner guides to align your jigs and templates. Provides a 6 mm gap between both the honeycomb and the plate, and between the plate and your work surface. Lift your laser so that the beam focus guide sits only about 1 mm below the top of the honeycomb surface, ensuring you can focus your laser right to the cut surface while maintaining use of the full range of vertical movement. Ensures clearance for your D1 Pro Wi-Fi antenna. If you need to use thicker materials, or even use a rotary, installing the optional 100 mm riser kit is simple. Lift your laser unit out of its feet. Install the 4 risers by slipping one over each foot. Lower your laser unit back into place, ensuring that each leg slips into the locating holes, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful, and if so, please leave a like or comment below and subscribe to the channel. We'll have more videos focusing on 3D printing, laser cutting, and laser engraving coming soon.